KALM, Kind and Accommodating Learning in Montana, Dental Kit. Montana Family to Family has put together medical play kits to help ease worry during medical procedures. Here's what's included in the dental kit. A dental education plush toy set that includes multiple pieces. Gunchuck's floss picks. Floss Aid dental floss holder. Plus, a laminated Brush Away the Germs printout. A laminated How to Brush Your Teeth printout. 11 laminated dental x-rays for kids. A Why Should I Brush My Teeth book. A standard toothbrush. And a dry erase marker. These dental kits support young children, youth, and adults with healthcare needs by helping them become more familiar and comfortable with medical experiences by using a play-based approach that is especially beneficial for children with complex medical needs. Kit contents may vary based on availability, and certain items may be substituted or omitted if supplies run out. We make every effort to maintain consistency, but variations between kits may occur. Warning: this kit contains small parts and is a choking hazard, not for children under 3 years. For more information about the KALM Dental Kit, visit umt.edu/family-2-family/KALM or call 406-243-4570. A QR code is also available on screen.